Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to see active session on LinkedIn for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. Click on the LinkedIn. And you must know that how to see the active session is the have the function to you to make you know that the active session or the device that login for your LinkedIn. And how to see it, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. And let's go to the settings. And after that, let's go to the sign in and the security, tap on. And go to the where you're sign in. Okay, there is one session to login for your LinkedIn. This is my location and this is my IP address. And there is no more device to sign in for my LinkedIn. It's a very safe for me. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. I hope this video is useful for you. This is a tutorial how to see active session on LinkedIn for Android. And I'll see you.